We have already discussed chapter 7 energy management. Today in this video we are discussing Samagra question bank of that chapter. Question number 1. From the following statements given below, find out the statements related to nuclear fusion. A. The activity of dividing heavy nuclei. The activity of joining light nuclei. It is the reason for the energy production in stars, the principle behind atom bomb. Find out the statements related to nuclear fusion. B. The answer B. The activity of joining light nuclei. The activity of joining light nuclei. It is the reason for the energy production in stars. Next question. If we completely convert 1 gram of matter into energy, we get 9 into 10 raised to 13 joule energy. Which equation of Einstein help us to find this? The equation E is equal to mc square. E is equal to mc square. Where E energy, m mass difference, c velocity of light. Sub-question B. By what name are the power stations that utilize the matter energy conversion known? By what name the power station that utilize the matter energy conversion known? Nuclear power station. Next question. Fossil fuels are precious and it is to be conserved for the future. What is meant by fossil fuels? Fossil fuels are formed by the transformation of plants and animals that deeply buried under the Earth's crust millions of years ago. The transformation took place in the absence of air, under high pressure and high temperature. Fourth question. LPG is an important fuel for household utilization. LPG. Write the full form of LPG. Write the full form of LPG. Liquefied petroleum gas. Which is the main constituent in LPG? B question. Which is the main constituent in LPG? Sub-question C. Why ethyl mercaptan is added to this fuel? Why ethyl mercaptan is added to this fuel? The main constituent of LPG is butane. Main constituent is butane. Ethyl mercaptan is added to know the foul smell if there is any leakage. Fifth question. Hydrogen is a fuel having high calorific value. Write the situation in which hydrogen is used as a fuel. B question. Why hydrogen is not used as a household fuel? Answer. Rocket. Liquid hydrogen is used as fuel in rockets. B question. Why hydrogen is not used as a household fuel? Hydrogen is highly inflammable and explosive. Hydrogen is highly inflammable and explosive. Sixth question. In large cities, now CNG is used in vehicles instead of petrol and diesel. Instead of petrol and diesel, CNG is used. What is mean by CNG? What is meant by CNG? Write 2 advantages of using CNG. What is CNG? Write 2 advantages. Compressed natural gas, CNG, compressed natural gas is made from natural gas that comes with petroleum. that comes with petroleum. Natural gas, from natural gas. Compressed natural gas is made from natural gas that comes with petroleum. Less atmospheric pollution, fuel efficiency is more, low cost, easy to transport. Advantages: less atmospheric pollution, fuel efficiency is more, low cost, easy to transport. Find out the statements related to LNG from the following. Find out the statements related to LNG from the following. Ethyl mercaptan is added. Main constituent in this is methane. Main constituent in this is butane. It is used as a fuel in industries and power stations. Here, find out the statements related to LNG, not LPG. It is related to LNG. So, A is not correct. Main constituent in this is methane. Correct. Main constituent in this is butane. False. It is used as fuel in industries and power stations. Statements related to LNG. The main constituent is in this is methane. It is used as fuel in industries and power stations. Next question 8. How fossil fuels are formed in nature? Write 2 examples of fossil fuels. How fossil fuels are formed in nature? Write 2 examples of fossil fuels. The plants and animals which are deeply buried under the soil by millions of years transformed into fossil fuels with a high temperature and pressure. Fossil fuel example: coal, petroleum, natural gas. Coal, petroleum, natural gas. Coal is in solid state, petroleum is in liquid state, and natural gas in gaseous state. What is the purpose of pollution test in vehicles? To know whether there is more polluting materials in the smoke. Whether there is more polluting materials in the smoke. Question number 10. For the complete combustion, air, oxygen is needed. What is meant by partial combustion? Write the disadvantages of partial combustion. Write the name of 2 products during combustion. What is partial combustion? Write the disadvantages of partial combustion. Write the name of 2 products during combustion. If oxygen is not sufficient, large quantities of carbon monoxide and soot and a little amount of carbon dioxide will be formed. This type of burning is partial combustion. Disadvantage: fuel loss, time loss, low heat, pollution. Products formed: carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, steam, etc. Question number 11. Which among the following are the 2 forms of coal? Which among the following are the 2 forms of coal? Coal tar, anthracite, lignite, paraffin. Coal tar, anthracite, lignite, paraffin. Anthracite, lignite. Substances related to coal are given below. Tabulate them into 2. Substance related to coal. Substance related to coal. Forms of coal. Products of coal after distillation. Tabulate them into forms of coal and products of coal after distillation. Forms of coal: peat, lignite, bituminous coal, anthracite. Peat, lignite, bituminous coal, anthracite, etc. are forms of coal. Products after distillation: ammonia, coal gas, coal tar, coke. 13. Fill suitably. Dash is the gas used in hydrogen fuel cell with hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon monoxide, oxygen, CO2. Answer is oxygen. Oxygen is the gas used in hydrogen fuel cell with hydrogen. 14. Write any 3 qualities of a good fuel. More availability, less atmospheric pollution, high calorific value, and cheap. And it should be cheap. This answer is not correct. Not less economic. It should be cheap. Write 2 examples for biomass. Write 2 examples for biomass. What are the 2 problems of biomass as a fuel? Firewood, cow dung cake, coconut shell, etc. are biomass. If we convert biomass into biogas, what are the 2 problems of biomass? Problems of biomass: smoke, problems of biomass, problems of biomass, smoke, smell, poisonous gases. Example: carbon monoxide is more, carbon dioxide is less. Converting biomass into biogas is beneficial for agriculture and reducing environmental pollution. Explain. Fuel which has high calorific value, manure for agriculture, reduce environmental pollution. Fuel which has high calorific value, manure for agriculture, reduce environment and pollution. In which name the energy sources which causes the environmental pollution including global warming is called dash. Write 2 examples for these type of energy sources. In which name the energy sources which causes the environmental pollution including global warming is called. Write 2 examples for these type of energy sources. Brown energy, and examples nuclear energy and thermal energy. Question number 18. There will be foul smell when the bio wastes are heaped together. Which gases cause this foul smell? How biogas is formed from bio waste? Which gas cause foul smell? Hydrogen sulfide, methane. Hydrogen sulfide, methane. Write the situation in which the following materials are used related to fuels. Ethyl mercaptan, enriched uranium. Ethyl mercaptan has smell, so the leakage of LPG can be found. Used as fuel in nuclear reactor. Enriched uranium. Enriched uranium is used as fuel in nuclear reactor. What is the energy change in solar panel? Light energy converted to electric energy. Light energy converted to electric energy. Why do we call solar panel as an electronic device? Explain photovoltaic effect. The main part of a solar panel is the PN junction diode. PN junction diode. PN junction diode made up with the silicon. So it is an electronic device. The main part of a solar panel is the PN junction diode made up with the silicon. So it is an electronic device. In a PN junction diode, when sunlight falls on N region, the electron flow occurs on P region. The phenomenon in which electricity formed when sunlight falls is known as photovoltaic effect. Next question. Write the name of the two appliances which use heat energy directly from solar energy. Solar cooker, solar water heater. Question number 22. Find out the odd one and write the reason. Diesel, LPG, coal gas, petrol. Diesel, LPG, coal gas, petrol. Odd one is coal gas. Others are taken from petroleum. Diesel, LPG, petrol are taken from petroleum. Second question. Solar energy, wind energy, nuclear energy. Here the odd one is nuclear energy. Solar energy and wind energy are green energy or clean energy. Solar energy and wind energy are clean energy, but nuclear energy is brown energy. For the solution of energy crisis, we have to utilize maximum green energy when building a house. Suggest two methods to utilize green energy while constructing a house. The energy sources must be eco-friendly and non-polluting. Eco-friendly and non-polluting. Utilize maximum light from the sun during daytime. What is known as energy crisis? Write four situations which lead to energy crisis. Suggest two methods to solve energy crisis. What is energy crisis? For situations which leads to energy crisis, suggest two methods to solve energy crisis. The increase in the demand of energy. But lack of availability. Here half mark is for the demand of energy and next half for lack of availability. The distribution of marks also we can see here. Increase in B question, increase in population. Increase in population leads to energy crisis. Industrialization, unreasonable usage of energy, maximum usage of non-renewable sources of energy, etc. Then utilize maximum solar energy. Use energy in a reasonable and scientific way. Utilize, C question answer, utilize maximum solar energy. Use energy in a reasonable and scientific way. Next question, 25. Number 25. Nuclear fusion and nuclear fission. Nuclear fusion and nuclear fission are two ways of producing energy from the nucleus of an atom. Nuclear fusion and nuclear fission. Write two advantages of nuclear fusion over nuclear fission. Write two advantages of nuclear fusion. Advantages of nuclear fusion. There will be no radioactive products. There will be no radioactive products in nuclear fusion. Hydrogen is the fuel for fusion and it is lavish. Hydrogen is the fuel, it is lavish. Next question 26. From the following sources, find out the sources of green energy. Find out the sources of green energy. Green energy, we know. Green energy is clean energy. Energy we get from atomic reactors are not green energy, but in solar cell that is green energy. Thermal power stations, they are not giving green energy. Tidal power station, green energy, sources of green energy. Hydroelectric processing, sources of energy, green energy. Windmill, sources of, they are also source of green energy. So the answer is 2, 2, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 5, 6. Next question, 27th question. Analyze the following statements related to solar water heater and answer the question. Hot water is taken from the upper side of the solar water heater tank. Hot water is taken from the upper side of the solar water heater tank. When heated, the density of water is changed. Explain the working of a solar water heater based on the above statements. Density of water decreases when temperature increases. First point is density of water decreases. Density of water decreases when temperature increases. Cold water of high density will be, cold water of high density will be in the bottom side of the tank. Cold water is heated through the bottom pipes. When density decreases, it reaches top. Density of water decreases when temperature increases. When density decreases, it reaches top. The hot water is taken from the tap at the top. Next, 28th question. What are the advantages of storing bio-waste in a biogas plant instead of throwing it? Advantages of storing bio-waste in a biogas plant instead of throwing it. It increases environment pollution. We get fuels with high calorific value. The waste from plant can be used as manure. Decrease environmental pollution. We get a fuel with a high calorific value. The waste from the plant can be used as manure. Next question. Write the difference between solar voltaic power plant and solar thermal power plant. Difference between solar voltaic power plant and solar thermal power plant. In solar voltaic power plant, electrical energy is produced from solar energy using solar panel. Voltaic plant. In solar voltaic plant, electric energy is produced from solar energy. Here light energy converted to electrical energy using solar panel. In solar thermal power plant, steam is produced using solar energy. Solar thermal power plant, steam is produced using solar energy, heat energy, using heat energy, steam. And with that mechanical energy is converted to electric energy. Next question, number 30. Find the relation and fill in the blanks. Find the relation and fill in the blanks. A. Kerosene, petroleum. Kerosene, petroleum. We know that by distillation of petroleum we get kerosene. So we have to find the relation between ammonia and the answer. Kerosene from petroleum. Ammonia from coal. By distillation of coal in the absence of air, we get 4 products. B question, LPG, butane, CNG dash. LPG, butane. The main constituent of LPG is butane. So we have to write the main constituent of CNG, that is methane. That is methane. Next question, number 31. Find the odd one and write the reason. Find the odd one and write the reason. The odd one is nitrogen. Odd one is nitrogen. Coal gas, coal tar, ammonia, etc. are we get from coal. Others are taken from coal. Nitrogen is the odd one. Others are taken from coal. That's all for today's discussion.